guys, now this is my last PowerPoint of animals that's called Dogs by Logan. That's me. Now this is a mommy dog take caring of the baby dog, of the puppy. And that's the bulldog. He is so funny that he like this. And this is the puppy, so cute. And this is the hound dog. Remember the movie The Fox and the Hound? Dalmatian. And this dog lives in the forest. This is the wild dog. You know there's a dog that can put you back to the bench? That is called the sheepdog. And there's a dog that helps places. That's called the police dog. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it.